section of history, French Revolution. In the previous videos, we studied about the formation of National Assembly and framing of Constitution by the National Assembly. Now, the National Assembly declared a war against the King of Prussia and Austria because the kings of these countries, Prussia and Austria, they decided to provide help to the King of France. And now there was a war between the kings and the people. But during that time, a patriotic song, Marseillaise, that was composed in France. Now Marseillaise now become the national anthem of France. In France, so many political clubs were formed by the people of third estate, but the famous club was Jacobin club. Now, who were Jacobins? Jacobins were those people who were the member of the Jacobin clubs. They belonged to the poor section of the society and they included shopkeepers, artisans, servants, and daily wage workers. Jacobins were known as sans-culottes also. Sans-culottes means those were without knee breeches. Who were knee breeches? Knee breeches were nobles and clergy, and Jacobins were without knee breeches. Jacobins wear a different type of dress to look different from the nobles and clergy. They wear long striped trousers and they keep themselves separate from the fashionable sections of the society. On August 10, 1792, the Jacobins they attacked on a large number of Parisians because they were suffering from the shortage of food. They attacked on the palace of Tuileries also. Palace of Tuileries belongs to the king of France. So the angry people they attacked on the palace of Tuileries and first of all they killed the king's guard and after some time they arrested the king and his family. So when they arrested the king and his family, that was the end of complete monarchy. So now country became constitutional monarchy. Constitutional monarchy also came to an end. Now elections were held in France and people whose age 21 years or more than 21 they got right to vote. Only the men got right to vote, women were not given right to vote. Women got right to vote so much later. And on 21st September 1792, a newly elected assembly was formed in France that is known as Convention and country became a republic. Republic means the country where head of the country is elected by the people. Punishment was given to the King Louis XVI. He was given death sentence on the charge of treason and on 21st January 1793 he was executed. Same type of punishment was given to his wife also. After the death of Louis XVI, Maximilien Robespierre ruled over the country. Maximilien Robespierre was the leader of the Jacobins. And the time period during which Maximilien Robespierre ruled over the country, that time period is known as Reign of Terror. Robespierre ruled only 1 year on the country, 1793 to 1794. So this time period is known as Age of Terror. What was the name of the policy? Reign of Terror. It means Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. He made so many laws. If anyone not obey these laws, they were given strictly the punishment. And at that time, many laws were made by Robespierre, such as he set the maximum ceiling on the vegetable prices, meat and bread that was rationed, all the All the products were sent to the people at a fixed price, and peasants were also forced to sell their food grain in the market at the fixed price by the government. Churches, at that time, churches were very corrupt. They were also shut down and their buildings converted into barracks or offices. So, terror was spread by the Maximilian Robespierre. It means anyone not follow the law made by the Robespierre, they were given the punishment. And this time period when punishment was given to the people is known as reign of terror.